Right, it's Aidan here at SEAT at Blackpool. Just going to show you around this SEAT Ibiza 1.0 TSI that we have in stock. This is the FR model. As I'm walking around the car, I'll show you each 4 alloys to give you an idea of their condition. So this car was an ex-demonstration model, which means it's been looked after very well by one of our team. So I'm walking around the rear, quickly show you the boot. So you got your parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy, and the seats also fold split 40-60. Walking around to the driver's side, show you the third alloy. Quickly show you the rear of the interior as well. And I'll also step into the driver's side at the front. Give you a quick look around in here. So on your touch screen, you've got your radio, DAB, FM and AM. You've got all your media sources. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free. You've got voice control. This also comes with satellite navigation. You also have full link, so that's your Apple CarPlay, your Mirror Link and your Android Auto. Then you also have your driving data. And on this screen you can also go into settings, scroll down to service, and it even tells you when your next oil change and inspection is due. Click in the bottom right, it brings up your full menu. You also have your AC down here. You have your power outlets. This car is a 1 litre manual, so it comes with 5 gears and a reverse gear. On this side you have your driving modes. You also have your auto stop start and you have your child lock. Moving on to the steering wheel, you've got your media buttons on this side, your voice control. You've got buttons on this side to control the speedometer. On your stalks, you've got your lights and your indicators for full beam and high beam. You've got your wipers. While I'm showing you speedo, I'll also show you that this car is on 4,332 miles. Like I said, this car was an ex-demonstration model. We tend to look after them very well and keep them below 5,000 before we hand them back. And then down to your right hand side you've got your lights. Stepping back out of the vehicle, I'll show you the last alloy. You've also got your daytime running lights. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you'd like any more information about this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our sales team, who will provide you with a more personalised and detailed video of the car. We hope to hear from you soon.